Hello, I think we are live. I think we are live, boys. I'm gonna have so this is me just basically I did a fresh install of Windows because I don't think I will be playing a lot of games, a lot of big games as I usually play, and I wanted a fresh and clean install. So I was doing that basically for the day. I was installing. I installed Windows 11 on an external SSD. So when I want to use Windows 11, which I will be configuring, so that's why this is part 1 in the title. I will be configuring that also, but later or tomorrow, I don't know when I'm gonna finish this, my main machine first. Then I'm gonna be also doing the optimization for there. Right now, I was saying to myself, so why don't I stream myself doing that for me in the future, so that I can look back what tools I use, how I set up my things. So maybe today is only about the settings, and tomorrow I have a part 2 about, for example, terminal only. So everything about the terminal, how I use, what I use, a thing like that. And in a way, I can link that to my GitHub README file and say, oh, here's the tools I use, part 1, part 2. I can make it in a playlist in some way. Yeah, I can do that. So I have not many plans. Just a rough basic plan I have done, but I don't think it's enough. So I am basically winging this. I'm just eating this. So I'm just gonna start that. So settings. The first place I like to go is settings, and then check everything. Check everything. For example, this is the brightness. I have an Asus GL503 VM machine. Before I start, I have only installed. So first of all, Thorium browser, the world's fastest browser. I have installed OBS. I have installed my Master Mouse software, even though I have not checked it or anything, because this mouse, the Cooler Master M710, has onboard memory, meaning it can save itself. So I have not touched this for the moment. I've just installed it. I have also installed OBS. I have also installed GeForce Experience, but I have only done this so that I can stream basically smoothly as possible. So as you can see, I'm still on 1080p. So display settings, I'm still on 1080p, and yeah, basically I have not done much thing to this. It's basically a clean install. So I'm gonna start with system. Change the brightness level. You don't need all of this, so this is good. Yeah, back to what I was saying. Brightness. I have an Asus GL503 VM. The reference of the it's an ROG Strix. Yeah. So it has function keys all over the place. So function on F1, function button on the function row. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't use them because now I can use them. See, this is the function keys. I have not installed yet another key displayer or anything like that because, as I said, this is a new machine. I want to basically guide myself in a way. So I had to install ATK package something. It's a software by Asus itself. It's a driver for this machine. So that is, if I would have done a clean, if I would have done a local install, I would have I would still have the ATK things and stuff, but I don't. You see, I usually have ROG things like to check my temperature and stuff. I don't have, and I don't think I'm gonna be installing it also because I can. For example, the GPU here is on 51 degrees, meaning it's approximately close. The CPU temperature is approximately close to 54 degrees Celsius. So that's the thing. I'm not gonna use it. I rather just because I know how the CPU this computer performs. I'm gonna be relying only on the temperature, and I'm just guessing approximately the CPU's temperature. So basically, if the GPU's temps is around, for example, 60, the temperature on the CPU might be 80 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so that's it. So let's get started. This is good here. I think everything is good, and I'm gonna just go to advanced display settings, and I'm gonna go for adapter. So these all modes, basically what you expect. And graphics settings, I'm gonna have the hardware accelerated GPU. I'm gonna restart later because I'm streaming right now. Always restart after doing these type of things. So I'm gonna have because this is a gaming piece, laptop, or whatever you want to say. I'm gonna use hardware accelerated GPU scheduling because I think I tried it before doing this, and I think it's good. I'm gonna go to sounds. I think so. Let's try sound control. So I have also done this. For example, you need to. So this is the sound. You need to disable all enhancements, and you should be on DVD quality. And then I have allow application to take exclusive control of this device. Why? Because I use equalizer APU. Yes, I have also installed equalizer APU. I'm so sorry, mate. Yeah, so this I have also done basically this, and then DVD quality again. Apply. Okay, I think everything is working still perfectly fine. Yo, everything is like so smooth because of the animations. I'm not used to that. I don't need to turn on special audio. I don't need to do anything, but notification I have to turn everything off. In fact, I'm gonna do this because I am paranoid, and I'm gonna also be doing this. Skype. What is Skype? Focus asset. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna turn everything off. I'm gonna go for power and sleep screen on battery power on. I'm gonna go for 10 minutes. The PC goes to when plugged in on battery power. Oh, I'm gonna go for 5 minutes then. 15 minutes. When the screen turns off in 2 minutes, and then the 10 minutes, I'm gonna go for 5 minutes. So additional power settings, yes, and change the power plan. I'm gonna go a bit fast. Basically, hard disk. Turn off the hard disk. Yeah. On battery. Why would you? Okay, it's okay. Let desktop background application. Wireless adapter settings. Sleep. This is the sleep. USB settings. Okay. PCI Express link power. Prefer maximum power mode. Maximum power saving off. And then moderate power saving. Processor power management. Minimum processor state. System cooling privacy active. Maximum processor state on battery. Minimum processor state. I'm just gonna go for 10%. Yes. Display. Turn off display on to 2 minutes, and then 5 minutes. Multimedia settings. So optimize balance, yes, and then video playback on performance bias. Okay, so showing me the prevent computer from idling. I'm gonna leave this as it is. Okay, so this is it, this is that. I'm gonna go back, choose what the power button do. I'm gonna go for, when I press the power, I'm gonna turn off the display. When I'm plugging, I'm gonna turn off the display. Oh, when I press the sleep button, I'm gonna sleep, and I'm gonna sleep again. And when I close the lid, I'm gonna do nothing, and I'm gonna say sleep. I'm gonna shut down. No, I need to sleep. So save changes for this moment, and I need to change the setting like are currently unavailable. This is fake. For real, this is fake. It's actually slow down your PC. It's actually slow down your PC. So I'm just gonna turn it off. For my testing, for my computer, for my things, I think it's dumb. I think it's not worth it, basically. So I think this is good. There's some people say to have like to download additional power plants or to create power plants. I don't do that. I need my computer reliability. It goes like this: reliability over performance, but performance is also important. In fact, so for example, if performance is on 99%, like what I need my PC to do, like perform, I want my computer to be really snappy, really like fast, you know what I'm saying? But reliability, I need to, it's like games, like character games, like for example, you can have a power up that like boost up your energy in like for about 5 minutes only, but after the 5 minutes you're dead. You know what I'm saying? I need my computer to be reliable. That's what I'm trying to say. So reliability over anything, but performance is also necessary. Battery, I'm gonna say 30%. I don't use my computer without what? Without plugging it in. I always plug it in the wall. So I'm gonna do that later. Tablet. Never use tablet. I think I'm gonna say never use tablet mode. Yeah. When I use okay. Multitasking, snap window. So this, I'm gonna try this. I usually keep this off. All tab shows. Okay, I'm gonna leave this alone. Projecting this piece is off. Shared experiences, I'm gonna click on off. Nearby sharing is off. Everything is off. Clipboard should be off. Yes. And then remote desktop is off. And about PC, here in about PC you need to go to advanced system settings. Check visual performance. So performance, let it change to adjust for best performance. I'm going to click apply. I'm going to click OK. Again, I'm going to go for so where is it? Settings, advanced. Adjust for best performance of programs. Is my OBS running clearly? I think my OBS is running clear. So adjust for best performance of programs, not background services. This should not be background services at all. There shouldn't be a background service. Like what? Okay, so this is good. So I think it's good right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to home. I'm gonna to devices, printers and scanners. Okay, so this you click on this, and then you go, or you click on this, you go here, click on the Control all, and then you type in main.cpl. Now pointers, you let this. Most people would say you use none. I hate the none. I used to like it, but I hate it now. So I'm gonna apply the default because I like the default. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna drag this up all the way here, and I like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then disable enhanced precision. Now your mouse will be free. It's like let's repel. There's basically acceleration. When you move slowly, it will move slowly. When you move fast, it will try to move fast. It's not linear. Like this is linear right now. If I was doing this, it will go really slowly. You know what I'm saying? You know what what acceleration does. Yes. So touchpad, leave the touchpad on when the mouse is connected. Yes. And then I'm gonna go for high sensitivity or most sensitive. I'm gonna go for high. Yes. Yes. Scroll, move. Yeah, nice. Okay, pinch to zoom. 3 fingers. I'm gonna say swipes. I'm gonna say change the audio and volume. Yeah. 4 fingers. No. Yeah, 4 finger swipe. I'm gonna say should I stop or do nothing? I'm gonna do nothing. Okay. So this is I need to turn this off. Okay, so we are on the keyboard section. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Windows R, and then I'm gonna try Control Keyboard, and I'm gonna place this on short and fast, and then I'm gonna just click on this and I'm gonna apply this. Pen and ink, yeah. Autoplay, I choose off. USB, yeah, everything's good right now. Basically everything off here. So what you're gonna do right now is you have I have my Ethernet connection, so I'm gonna hit on properties, and I'm gonna be basically changing some settings here. So there's a video by the guy, I don't know his name, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try and search it. So what was it? Windows optimization guide. Yeah, so yeah, Covitech is the guy
scroll through
to
and trash it all. Once again, some things are still the
yeah,
same, so
this.
if you're
You need to do
figure
this.
where here
Again, check out this guy. Please don't copyright my thing. I'm gonna mute this, and I'm gonna be basically doing this. So what he says is to remove file and printer. So okay, file and printer, okay, and then to also LDP, and then the link layer. Okay, so LDP and then the link layer for both. I'm gonna press OK again. I'm gonna press because I want it to save. Now we need to go for IPv4, and then I'm gonna be changing the configuration. Yes, so DNS, I'm gonna be using Google's DNS. Google DNS. So DNS for Google, independence and fastest. Okay, I'm gonna be using this one then. I didn't know that this is the fastest. So it's 1111 and 0011. Okay, 10, yeah. No, I'm gonna apply again. Because I'm paranoid, and then configure again. Yes, advance. No, it's not that. What? Okay, so follow the DNS 11111, and then the alternate DNS is 010. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then the device description is nice. Okay, so yes, again here. So you go here again, you configure. Yes, you go to advanced, you go to flow control. You say, oh, I don't have all of this. Why? Properties. Wait a second. Configure. Okay, I need to update my Realtek. I think I need to update my Realtek drivers. Okay, I'm gonna be doing that later. Okay. I'm gonna be updating my Realtek drivers later, so forget about it. So basically you have to follow this guy. You can follow this guy also, but there's some things that I do, there's some things that I don't, so because as I said, I need reliability for over everything. Network and sharing options, change it up though. So okay, this is good. Okay, I think this is good. Change just shit. Okay, so this is good. Wi-Fi, I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi, turn manually. Everything should be off. Ethernet is good. Dial-up should be off. Yeah, VPN should also be off. Airplane mode should be obviously off. Hotspot is off. Proxy should be automatically detect settings. These don't apply to. I'm not gonna use a proxy. Now, it might be my famous last word, but who cares? I usually prefer solid color because it's just like it's better, I think. For example, if let me bring up Notepad to explain this. So white is equal to FFF, and then black is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. No, I'm not. So okay, you have this. You basically have this. So here, what you can see is it's on. Basically, it's you could say from 0 to so you could say it's 255, and this you can say it's actually 0. In my eyes, if this is 0, meaning it's not taking any power. We're not talking about power in terms of battery power. This is an LCD screen. In terms of my theory is that it's a theory. Is that in terms of power, like CPU power, processing management, and RAM memory, if it's basically 0, there's nothing to display, so there's nothing to render. So you alt tab quicker, because when you alt tab, okay, I'm not saying that right now, but you know what I'm saying. It's just a habit. It's just a bad habit. That's it. Colors. Go for dark. Obviously, dark is better. And then transparency effect. I'm gonna turn that off because why would you? I'm gonna pick a darker color. So maybe this color. I think yeah. So much better. Lock screen. I'm gonna search for a picture. No, I don't show. Yeah, that is better. Themes, solid cursor, everything is good. Fonts, I'm gonna be installing fonts after. Start. Okay, now I need to open my thing. Okay, this should close. So where is it? So Control F, start. Turn everything except app list in start menu. Okay. Turn everything app list in start menu. Okay. And the taskbar. Turn everything, log the taskbar, replace CMD with other shell. Show the taskbar. Replace and show badges. Always hide labels. Okay. Meet now is off. Microphone is off. Power should be on. Volume here. OneDrive.exe. Windows update status. Yeah, basically this should be hide. Okay, I think we're good now, Gucci. So you go in here and you turn everything off. Calculator, advanced option, background apps off. Then get help, advanced options, advanced settings, everything you just turn it off. Groove music, I don't need that. I don't know what's that, but doesn't have anything, so I'm just gonna leave it. Whatever you can leave, you leave. Whatever you can't, whatever you can't delete, you leave. You have to. But whatever you can't, whatever you can delete, just delete it, bro. So this is there's nothing. So Microsoft Solitaire, I'm just gonna delete that thing. Advanced options. So you have, why does background or apps need to be on? I don't understand. So this was this. Update have to, yeah, let it be. Now we can uninstall this. So everything, this should be basically the same. We can uninstall this. We can uninstall OneNote. We can uninstall Paint 3D. We can uninstall People. If I could do that, that would be great. In real life, uninstall this. I installed the remote desktop connection. Yes, I don't think I need this. And I'm gonna uninstall Skype. I'm gonna let that work here. No, not right now. I'm doing things right now. So I'm gonna uninstall that again. I'm gonna uninstall sticky notes. Program is here. I'm gonna advanced options here, and then I'm gonna remove background apps. You get the idea. I'm gonna shut up now. Okay. Okay, delete all maps, delete all. Yes. Let's go for D. Because I don't want anything to do. So optimize for battery life. Yeah, I prefer to play at a lower side. I prefer to play video at lower quality. Start a program, so just close everything. Why does this have to stop? Like, what is this game? Game. I think everything should be. I think everything should require Windows. Okay. Access. Sync should be off because shit. Is it actually? Pacific time. Why? Okay, I think that's good. Region, and then language. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna go here now. Allow control game bar. Game bar should be turned off. Capture should be turned off. Okay. So it's about 30 minutes. Big recorded audio. Turn off. Standard quality. Capture mouse recording. Game mode should be turned on for me. Yeah. So this is good. Home again. Ease of access. Oh shit. Automatically. Okay, show notification for fast range. Mouse pointer. Okay, text cursor. magnifier. Okay, color filters, high contrast. I don't need high contrast. Narrator allow. Tray. Yeah. Audio. Closed caption. This default. Everything is keyboard, mouse. The sticky keys. Okay, eye control should be off. Oh, really? Are you kidding me? You're joking me. Oh shit. Are you joking me? So I can... My god, bro. So wait a second. So for fine adjustments I can use this. Okay, you're joking. I think I'm gonna leave this on. No, I can't leave this on. Yeah, I can't leave this on. Because I use the keyboard right now. I'm not using my external keyboard. Search. Surfing off. Moderate and searching Windows Classic. Okay, I think it's good. Privacy. So let's website. Let's speech. Everything should be off. Inking should be off. Diagnostic required. And then automatically never. Activity history should be off. Location should be off. Camera should be off. Microphone should be. Oh, I was gonna make a big mistake. Okay, I think it's good. Voice activation should be off. Yes. Notification should be off. Account info should be off. Contact should be off. Calendar should be off. I think it's good. Yeah. Phone call should be off. Everything should be off. Everything should be off. Messaging should be off. Off again. Background apps, yeah. And video control panel, these settings, everything should be off. Now, other devices, yeah. App diagnostic, automatic file downloads, I don't know what's that, so off. Pictures off, videos off, file system off. Home. So update and security. So basically just turn everything off. After you update it, just click on pause update as long as you can, so until it becomes great. Advanced option, you should turn off everything. Delivery optimization, you should turn this off. You don't need to use antivirus. You don't need to use antivirus in 2023. If you're using antivirus, just get a doctor. Just go to a doctor. Okay, I think it's good. Change the settings. Show. Okay, I think it's good. I think we're good here. So settings are good. So if the settings are good, I need to check this now. So I'm just gonna remove unpin from taskbar, unpin from start. Wait, what? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say unpin from taskbar, uninstall. Why do I have all this? Uninstall, remove from taskbar, and I'm gonna say unpin from taskbar. Now, okay, so apps things, get help. Why can't I delete that? Okay, let it be. Tips, bruh, I can't delete tips. Now this is a problem. What the you have Internet Explorer? Why do you have Internet Explorer? Uninstall. Map I don't need map recognizer. I need this. Hello face, I don't need hello face. Hey, but I quiet, okay. Okay, access speech recognition. I don't think I need speech recognition, so yeah. I think it's good now. So now I'm gonna say show talks view button, search hidden, and then the talks manager, not talks manager. No. So using this rest turns off. Toolbar. No. How can I remove this? No, I don't need this. I know how to remove this, but I forgot. Bruh. Yeah, I was already there. Now, how do I remove this? Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Nice. Lock the taskbar. Okay, so now that is good. The control, expand. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. Now I have everything. No, don't have everything. So I still need to go to Windows R services.msc, and then we start. We start with the video first. Where's the video? Give me the video. Now GPU and POC CPU. So look at how it's like 174 processors. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna be following this Bluetooth. I really want to turn this off right now because it says automatic update OMS and Explorer. Can you turn off background intelligent transfer service? Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Where's the Bluetooth audio? So Bluetooth support service, Bluetooth audio gateway. So this, I'm gonna say properties, I'm gonna say disable, I'm gonna apply, okay. The Bluetooth support service, I'm gonna say properties, stopping, disable, apply, okay. And then okay. Connected user experience. Connected user experience, we're gonna say properties, automatic, I'm just gonna say stop first, disable, apply, okay. I just needs to be running all the time. I'm gonna say manual, I'm gonna say stop, I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna disable it. Okay. But if I disable it, now if I enter this, will it work? Should work. Or it does not. Okay, it does not. Properties, I'm gonna say manual. Oh no, it is working, just was loading a lot of time. Alright, I don't really need to install anything then. Yeah, everything is saved, yeah, apply, and my buttons, yeah, 2 times caps lock, yeah. Master, I don't have my GPU 10 for some reason. It was working, I know it was working. Yeah, but still, I know that we can disable this. Let's go this computer. Okay, we need. We actually need this. And then I know there was delivery optimization.
Keep on scrolling through. Direct blocking service, don't need that as well. Disabled, you don't really need it. Device management wireless application protocol, I have this disabled.
Device management application protocol, you don't need this. Disable, okay, apply, okay.
You don't really need it. Keep on scrolling through. Direct blocking service, don't need.
Direct blocking service. Where is the direct blocking service? I don't have it. So I'm gonna say distributed link tracking. I'm gonna say stop that first. So disable, apply, okay. Fax, I don't need fax. Apply, okay.
Need that as well. If you have EA in the background, you don't need EA in the background. So many of these random launchers just hog up so many resources and you won't even know it. Next, we have the Microsoft Diagnostics Hub. You can go ahead and disable that as well. Same with the App V client. Same with the App V client, unless if you use
Microsoft Diagnostic Hub. What is disable, apply, okay.
Disable that as well. Same with the App V
client. If I have it, App V client. No, I don't have it.
V client. Same with the App V client, unless if you use virtual applications. Microsoft Keyboard Filter, don't really.
Microsoft keyboard filter, I don't have that.
Really need that. NetTCP port sharing service, don't really need that as well. Open SSH authentication, don't really need that too. Print spooler, if you have a printer then don't disable this, but if you don't use your printer at all, feel free to disable it. For the quality Windows audio video experience, you don't really need that as well. You can go ahead and disable it.
Does help. But geez, I'm getting tired now. It's been a long day today.
And then if you have Realtek Audio Universal Service, you don't need that as well. Your audio will work completely fine without it. Remote registry, you don't really need that unless if someone is going to be remoting onto your machine. You can disable that. Retail demo service, if you have this, disable it. You don't.
I think I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna put it on manual.
Don't need it. Same with routing and remote access. Once again, you don't have people hopping on your machine. You don't need to have this on. It's kind of like an extra little bit of protection, you know? Shared PC account manager. If you have multiple profiles on your PC, you probably don't want to get rid of this. But since it's just me on mine, I have it disabled. Steam client service. Once again, it's just one of those clients that are running in the background. You don't really need it, so I have it disabled. System main, this is the oldest trick in the book. Go ahead, disable it. Every single optimizer will tell you to, unless if you're on laptop. That's a different story. It's either laptop or with a hard drive. I forget which one. It's been a while. Next we have user experience virtualization service. Gonna go ahead and turn that off. And Windows search, you don't really need that. It doesn't disable your search. You saw me search up stuff earlier. Windows time, you can disable that. You don't really need it. Workstation, don't really need that as well. You can disable it. And then with all of the Xbox Live authentication managers, if you have Minecraft,
your okay, I still need to apply.
I don't think you can disable it necessarily.
Okay,
So just be
yeah,
careful.
sorry,
If you only play Fortnite, or if Call of Duty, Apex, you can go ahead and disable it all. But yeah, if you play Minecraft, don't disable these. It will turn it off. EA, Microsoft Edge, Opera GX,
Yeah, my GPU
System
and
Explorer. That is now we
GPU.
want to go.
Oh shit. Ah. We can continue. This is kind of painful, to be honest. It's late night and I really need to sleep. And I'm here. Performance. Apply. Take me there. So off until this gamma correction should be on off. Judah should be on off. Yes. No, cancel. This should be on off. Apply. Latency mode should be on. Okay, I'm gonna leave it off for now. Max frame rate should be on O2, I think. Prefer performance, it should not be on O2. Okay, I'm gonna choose it. Optimal power, no, prefer maximum performance. Driver default. Driver default, texture anisotropic sampling, typical user scenario, on for higher performance, I'm gonna see what this is on allow, this is on higher performance, yes, linear optimization, I'm gonna see, triple buffering is off. What did I do? Triple buffering should be off, I think. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. I think I'm gonna say 1. I'm gonna apply. Now I'm gonna go back to the
Go
video.
over our controller frame rate mode. It depends on the game that you're playing. Ultra allows your GPU to overclock itself, so I have it on that. But if you just want the normal low latency mode, go ahead, just do on. It's really up to your GPU, your machine. I can't really tell you what the best one is for that. Max frame rate, depends. Highest available shader cache. I have it set to unlimited, but if you guys don't really have a lot of space, we have that on. That's on. Threaded optimization, we have that on auto. Triple buffering, set it to off. VSync off. Gross, nasty, can't convince me otherwise. Re-render frames, this is only for VR, doesn't really matter. Set it to 1.
Texture 3 linear optimization should be on. 3 linear optimization should be on, and threaded buffering should be on auto. Yeah, I know my stuff.
And then the super priority right here, set starts on startup. After that, just minimize it. You want to make sure that it's running in the background. Got our little fighter jet right here. On to the next order of business. We have.
So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna say change resolution, some position. I'm gonna say full screen. I'm gonna apply. Yes. Is my thing working correctly? I think it is working correctly. So how many? So 52 minutes. Okay. This I think is good. Okay. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that you need to turn off indexing. Right click on this, hit properties, disable this. Disable this, and also for this one. Disable of all your drives and stuff. It's bad. Basically, it's bad. Now, what do I have to do? I'm gonna have to basically do this now. So, yeah, I think that, and I will have to turn off the stream now. I think it has been a good. I need to set up my application, so I need to be using password, email, and stuff like that. So I won't be showing that thing because I think when I'm gonna be setting up the applications, I'm gonna be streaming it. But for now, let me just. Oh no, I'm not gonna show it. Or I might just tell in a video once in a live stream, or I don't know. I'm gonna say about it. I have a mixed feeling about showing application settings. I'm talking trash. I'm tired.